Save those veggies from the fridge. Let's turn them into a healthy and delicious dish. First, give the veggies a good wash and slice them up. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Add a pinch of salt and a splash of vinegar. Start blanching the potatoes. They need a bit more time, so cook them for about 5 minutes. Then toss in the carrots for around 2 minutes. Finally, add the greens, broccoli and French beans, just until they're bright and still crisp tender. Heat some olive oil in your pan. Then sauté garlic and onion until they're fragrant. Add the chicken and stir until it's lightly cooked through. Season with salt, pepper, and oyster sauce to build that rich, savory base. Then toss in bell peppers and tomatoes. Now add the blanched potatoes, young corn, and mushrooms. Mix in a little slurry, just cornstarch and water, to help thicken the sauce. Let everything simmer gently until the sauce starts to come together. Fold in the blanched broccoli and French beans. Give it a final stir until the sauce thickens. Feel free to add quail eggs, cabbage, shrimp, snow peas. It's totally your version of chopseuy. And there you go, a quick, healthy, veggie-packed chopseuy ready to serve and enjoy.